I have already started by doing my prep work off camera, and I've also extended her nail beds using my forms from Glitter Bells. I haven't shaped them like I really want them yet, because I will do that at the final shaping of the nail after I do this design. So yeah, on her middle finger we are just doing an ombre, and for my gray I have mixed all CJP colors, French gray I believe and Snow White. Half of my gray was already mixed from quite a while ago when I mixed it for another client of mine, and it had a hint of mulberry in it. I don't know if you can tell, but we couldn't tell, so we didn't mind that it had that in, but just in case anyone is wondering. And I am using for my blend a birthday suit. Also, I'm using my CJP Big Boy brush. For this finger we are doing an ombre, and it's the same with birthday suit, and here I am using ash. Just slicing off any acrylic that I don't need. Just pressing that onto the nail against the cuticle area. For her ring finger and her index finger, they're both the same. I'm applying a thin layer of ash, just as thin as I can, and I especially at that cuticle area, because we are going to do some marble work that I will encapsulate in crystal glass later on, and I want to make sure it's not very thick. Also, I'm using ash very dry. I am draining most of the liquid, well, all the liquid I drain out of my brush before I apply it onto the nail, because I feel like it's really, it can get very, very wet comparing to other acrylics. So yeah, just keep that in mind. I'm first starting this marbling with the same gray color that we mixed. Just apply that randomly and just try and create some shading with the liquid in my brush. Next I'm taking some French gray, which is just a very deep gray, just to further create some shading and some blending. And here I'm using Black Magic just for more definition. I'm also using my brush against it and push it to create a sort of a bridge, and it looks a bit thicker, and I'm doing that on purpose because it's going to give a bit more of that 3D type of look. I don't know what I'm doing. You get the point. Just doing the same thing on her index finger. So I've been trying this technique lately just to kind of switch up my marbles. I still like the marbles when I use those wet beads and I just swirl them around. But I've been really liking this. But after doing this set, I realized that less is more. And I feel like I have overdone these two nails. So just keep that in mind if you want to try this. Just don't do as much as I did. I feel like I was overdoing it. But I definitely like this look a lot more than the usual acrylic marble. I guess it really just depends what design you're looking to do that day. So yeah. For her pinky, we are mixing two glitters. One is a really fine, greenish, iridescent glitter that one of my clients actually brought to me. It just says mermaid on it in a really tiny pot. I think she just got it on eBay for me, so I don't know the brand or anything like that. And it's also mixed with a just fine silver holographic glitter from Glitter Planet UK. So I'm just pressing that onto the nail, make sure it's sitting well at the cuticle area. Now I'm just going to encapsulate all my nails, make sure I put my apex in place. I'm also doing my filing off camera as usual, and I will just come back to you guys for just a bit more touch up that we did on the marble nails. Here I'm using a detail brush from Tracy Lou's website and a silver metallic gel polish from Premier Inn. I don't know the name of it, but I'll put it in the description box below for you guys. So we're just doing some little scribbles here and there. I forgot to say, for this design, we're actually following a picture that she came with, and it had these details. So we thought it would be really nice to add them because it was pretty. So yeah, make sure that goes into my lamp. Just going to cleanse her nails, get that dispersion layer off, and I'm going to top coat them. Then pop it in my lamp for a minute. So here's the final look. We love, 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 love these nails. If you do so, please don't forget to subscribe. See you later. Bye-bye.